easily the best oxtail recipe out there. Look how rich and thick that gravy is. Let's just jump right into this video. First thing you do is wash your oxtail with water, vinegar, lime. Then you rinse it off to get rid of that flavor. Secondly, you just season it with the seasonings that is on our website. I will link the exact recipe below. Just dig right in and season up that oxtail. Rub it up, get all the flavors. We spent about 5 minutes rubbing up this oxtail to make sure that the flavors are distributed so that it is seasoned to the bone. Look how beautiful that looks already, and we didn't even start cooking it yet. Guys, I'm telling you, the flavors are insane with this oxtail recipe. Bold flavors that will give you a great oxtail every single time. Now, this is what I call well seasoned oxtail to the bone. Definitely marinate this overnight for the flavors to infuse. But now it's time to cook. Add some oil to a pot, and after you add the oil, now we're gonna brown our oxtail. So just add that in the pot. It wasn't hot at the time, but it's getting there. Add it to the pot and let this oxtail brown. Don't worry guys, it's not gonna be oily. Just brown your oxtail on both sides. See how beautifully brown they've gotten? That's the color that we're going for. So just do this with the rest of your batch, and I'll meet you guys in a minute. Now that we've browned all our oxtails, we're going to get rid of that excess oil and just throw back our oxtail into the pot. And we're going to try and put all those big pieces in the bottom because, you know, oxtail takes a while to cook, and we're doing over the top slow cooked oxtail that will have it falling off the bones. We love this method of cooking the oxtail. So with the rest of your seasoning that was left over, add some water to it and just pour that into the pot because we're about to boil for a few hours, guys. It's a long process but worth it. Add water until the meat is completely covered and just cover it up, and let's get to chopping up our ingredients. Chop up sweet pepper, onion, scallion, ginger, thyme, all the ingredients I list on our blog. Add your chopped up ingredients to the pot so that it can boil for the hours with the oxtail. I'm telling you, this method is insane. Add some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, some thyme. I didn't have fresh thyme, so I had to use dry thyme, but it works just the same, still will be delicious. Add your thyme, black pepper, and just let that simmer for a few hours, guys, until it's getting nice and soft. While that is boiling in with the oxtail, it gives it a gravy, a thickness, a sauce that is beyond blowing of the mind, I'm telling you. See how thick the gravy has gotten, and all that flavor from the onions and the sweet pepper, they boiled into that. And now we're just checking to see if it's soft. It's not soft to our liking yet, so just let that boil for a few more. Throughout the boiling process, every time you check to see if it's soft enough. If there's not enough water, just continue to add water. After you've let that boil, just check if the meat is soft enough to your liking. We love our meat soft and gamey and buttery, melting in our mouth. Chop up some more ingredients, or if you have some left over, you just use that. And this is the final seasoning, guys. We're just gonna add some more onion and sweet pepper, more ketchup, more barbecue sauce. But now we're gonna season a little sugar, some complete, some black pepper, a little salt, some adobo. And we're just gonna let that boil for a little longer. Not much, for at least 30 minutes. Make sure you mix all that in so that all the ingredients can get distributed evenly around the whole pot. And then, like I said, we're just gonna boil it for a few more minutes. Seriously, how gorgeous is that gravy? And I'm telling you, the flavors are there. Look at thickness. Add some butter bean, because it's basically and technically done right now. So all you're doing is just adding a can or 2 cans of butter bean, depending on how much you have, and you're just gonna mix that in. Wow, look how beautiful. When I say fall off the bone, best oxtail recipe you will ever make, this is what I'm talking about. Just look how easily that comes off the bone. Wow. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed cooking this oxtail with us, because we sure enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to comment, thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so that you know when we post our next recipe. Thanks, guys.